Somebody brought up the question to me today, if I buy a franchise, is it really my own business? And that's something I hear all the time. So, to answer that, let's pretend you're going to bake a cake and you take out a recipe from a recipe book and you follow all the instructions, right? Oh, I use, a cup of flour and a half cup of butter and I put them in order, I do the recipe in this order and I bake it for 350 in an hour. My question to you would be, is it still your cake? Still be my cake. Even if I followed all the directions, the same exact thing happens with the franchise. Is it's a recipe for success that you don't have to figure it all and make all the mistakes by yourself. So when you have your own franchise, you still need to implement. You still need to actually do it. So yes, it's your own business. It's just giving you the strategies and all of the recipes for success.